New videos every day.
Hey everyone, my name is Melissa Lomanian. Welcome. Thank you so much for watching. This is going to be a 5 tips on how to give an amazing beginner's back rub. Please tune in to the rest of the series where I'll be showing you 5 tips on how to give a great glute and hip massage, great leg massage, 5 tips for the upper body and chest, 5 tips for the head and scalp. Thank you so much, and let's begin. All right. So my first tip is to take a breath with your client. All right, Corey, will you take a deep breath with me? One more time, please. And so now my second tip is to not apply your oil or your cream right away and do some warm-up moves on the dry skin. You're able to actually go a little bit deeper on an unwarmed up back without oil or lotion. And Corey already has some oil on her back, so that wasn't a entirely accurate representation. All right. Aligning your breath, whether with a client or a friend on the table, or with your romantic partner, or your child, or a family member, is a wonderful way to align and connect with somebody. If you literally want to feel close or closer to someone, breathing together is a wonderful way to accomplish that. So my third tip is to use your knuckles. Especially along the sides of the spine and down on the lower back. Corey, will you take a deep breath? For my fourth tip, use your client's exhale when trying to access and address trigger points, knots, or tense areas. I'm going to take my own advice and repeat that with my knuckles. I'm using Alright, so I've found the 2 tense spots, and now I'm going to invite Corey to take a deep breath with me. And as she exhales, I'm going to gently lean in. Alright, honey, inhale again. And as she exhales, I lean out. Using the breath and going slow and gently, not ever forcing tissue, creates a sense of trust between your client or your friend's body and you. For my 5th tip, I want to encourage you to be as comfortable as you can. Keep your hips over your shoulders as much as possible. Because of the cameras, I can't practice proper body mechanics, but you feeling grounded and stable will help you give a great massage and also prevent you from doing anything silly like tripping and falling onto your client. Ask me how I know that could happen. Our tips were breathe with your client, do some warm-up strokes on a dry back before applying your oil or cream, use your knuckles, use your client's breath to address trigger points and knots. Finally, you, the therapist, stay grounded and comfortable. So what I'm doing now is one of my favorite moves. You make Miss Pac-Man hands and just grip with your thumb underneath the trapezius, just this one right here, and your fingers bracing on the shoulder blades. I don't know if you can see my body, but I'm tilting. I'm using my body weight. I'm kind of rocking back and forth. That's called petrissage. And I know one of my favorite moves is whenever anyone works at the top of my neck. And with your client laying face down, you can very, very gently work the front. Gently just rub the front of their neck or throat. Like don't go all the way to the front of their throat, but just the side of the neck. Once you've warmed up the back of the body, it's entirely appropriate to shift over to your forearms. This is a very simple forearm technique. I'm just letting my elbow drag up her spine. You can let your elbow trace the edge of the scapula. And then just drag. And again, I'm using my feet and my back to give this move its power. In closing, I'm going to do a very gentle wide-handed effleurage. And then super gentle cranial hold. Gently holding the sacrum and the occiput. There's, maybe 5 grams of pressure here. This feels very grounding and balancing to the client and to me, honestly. And so I always hold until I feel the pulses even out between my hands. You may feel some warmth, either from your client's body or, coming from you as you do this move. It's normal, just breathe. Energy's moving. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the previous one in the series and the ones that are following. My name is Melissa Lemonian. To find out more about me, go to sensibletoolbox.com.